these team meetings, formerly known as team meetings and now called Marketing Association or MAP talks, where we invite people of eminence to share their experiences and their learnings with the rest of the marketeers. So without further delay, I would like to invite our president, Mr. Masood Hashmi, and the guest of honor, Mr. Babar Abdul Sattar, to come and join us on the stage. And I would like to invite the president straight away to give the introduction speech.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul wallahu ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Babar Abdul Sattar Babar Bhai, Ali Hassan Bhai, MAP Council members, dignitaries, good evening. Today we have topic what worries the world and Pakistanis in these trends over times. Actually, this is one of the, I have been in business for 35 years or so, and I have seen quite ups and downs. But I see this time is one of the toughest. Not the toughest, but one of the toughest. And when I was discussing with Babar Sahab, and I could see from the topic as well, that when you put all these figures, there might be disappointing numbers. So I requested him that we must have this talk with hope in mind rather than despondency. However, research numbers tell you a story, and you cannot twist around that. You can twist here and there, but in the end of the day, the numbers tell you where the ship is going. In my humble opinion, I don't want to make a political comment here, but we might be little apprehensive how the mess have been cleared, how they are handling the economy. But be sure we don't know that this has not done by the present government. They might not be cleaning it the right way. Speed might be wrong. Maybe the team. But this has been accumulated over a period of time. And I know few people very closely as well in the government, very closely, personal friends. And it is unfortunate that Shabbar Bhai has not been well recently. He is one of the finest brains we have as the FBR chairman. He has been trying very hard. And he was trying so hard that he couldn't take it. He's got such a... Many people will say, no, actually this. Actually, we as a nation love to have stories. But the factual situation is he is one of the finest minds. Hafiz Sheikh, Dr. Abdul Hafiz Sheikh is one of the finest minds in Pakistan. No doubt about that. He's trying. But the situation was quite bad. Situation was... People ask me, मैं कहता हूँ गालिब का एक शेर है इसके ऊपर. कर्ज की पीते थे मैं और समझते थे कि हाँ रंग लाएगी अपनी फाका मस्ती एक दिन. Because we have been getting all kinds of money, short-term money, long-term money, this money, that money. In the end of the day, you have to repay. And what I have observed, I want to make it very simple because I am not an economist. But whenever the economy flourishes, this is a rule. The rich will get richer. The only job of an economist is to see that the poor should not get poorer. The poverty line should not go down, go up. But recently we have seen the poverty line has moved from 35 to 40%, which is 5% in Pakistan terms is a lot of people. It's about 1 crore people. So things are tough. There are positive news. There are positive perceptions about Pakistan worldwide. And we should be honest to ourselves. I am not with this government or against Nawaz Sharif or for Pakistan people. No, but being a business person, being a citizen of Pakistan, I think our direction is correct. May not be delivering on all the counts. Yeah, that can be a problem because we have taken a path which is not an easy path, which is a difficult path to correct. In fact, I have asked one of a very senior finance person, who is also a personal friend. I said, you have done all things good, but you should have staggered it. You should have taken it into 3 years. They said, yeah, don't you think we understand that? And I said, yeah, you do. But he said, we had no time. One side is FATF, the other is IMF. And then we delayed it. This present government has handled the situation in the beginning very badly, to be very honest. We won't go to IMF and we'll go to Saudi Arabia, we'll go here, there. अगर मैं आपसे कर्जा नहीं लूंगा, मैं दुनिया से लूंगा, आपसे नहीं लूंगा, और जब मैं आखिरी में आपके पास आऊंगा तो आप मुझसे कहेंगे ये मेरा रेट है, ये मेरी टर्म्स हैं. ऐसे ही होता है, पर्सनल लाइफ में भी ऐसे होता है. सो आज हमारे साथ वी हैव गॉट वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट ब्रेन्स इन पाकिस्तान एज फार एज research and understanding of consumer, understanding of market is concerned. Babar Bhai has agreed to talk to us and discuss with us in question answer session where we are heading. The topic says it all. Let me introduce him. Abdul Sattar Babar, founding managing director of Ipsos Pakistan, is an experienced strategic marketing and business intelligence specialist who has worked in senior local and regional roles in Sinovate, British American Tobacco and Aftab Associates. Prior to launch of MEMRB Pakistan in 2006, he has spearheaded many pan-industry initiatives in Pakistan like establishment of Socio-Economic Classification (SEC), Television Audience Measurement (TAM), Consumer Multimedia Index (CMI), and others. Babar has traveled extensively across the world and has participated in leading international management program by IMD, Hay Group, the Leadership Trust and others. He has also completed a number of professional courses in knowledge management and has been member of ISOMER since 2000. He is an energetic, inspiring presenter and has been featured on many domestic and international forums. Babar's personal mission is to make a real difference for his clients, employees, stakeholders and community. By promoting strategic anticipation through knowledge-based decision-making, Babar holds an MBA degree from IBA, Pakistan, and majors in marketing. Babar's drive is to passionate curiosity in the most powerful characteristics one can own. It inspires to solve problems, think creatively, and foresighted. He is always very well informed with the latest innovations and technologies within the media and market research industry. These insights feed him sharp intellect that sparkle the opportunity that in turn advances business and improves revenues. His interest in people and attention to detail is combined with a keen sense of personal and professional integrity. However, in a changing world of business and work, the most desirable skills are the ones required through life and experience. It has made Babar a rounded, creative, collaborative, generous, reliable, indomitable, and intuitive leader. He is a great guy. I look forward to his great, inspiring presentation. Please welcome Mr. Babar.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you, Hashim Saab. Thank you, Ali. And thank you, everybody who has come here. I can see there are quite a few very senior people here from the marketing fraternity and media, and also our business community. Thank you very much for inviting me, on talking on this interesting topic. And I had been delivering lectures on very different variety of topics about markets, about consumer behavior, about many things. And especially in the last I would say 24 months, not 24 months, I would say about 16 to 18 months, we started actually doubting some of our own data. I won't name but a client who has been working with us for the last about 6-7 years, and continuously we were monitoring their market share, market size of that particular product category across the country. And some of their regional senior leadership was visiting Pakistan, and they wanted us to give them a strategic direction on how industry is moving. And when we looked at the data, and all of a sudden something struck, what there's about 25%, more than 25%, 27% actually, a decline in the size of the market in the last about 1 year. And I asked my colleagues, we need to double check our numbers. 27% decline in a product category, which is so normal and it is part of our lives, which the whole economy runs on that product category, industrial, commercial, private. How we can see that? And I can tell you that we double checked, triple checked, and we found that's the case. And when we reached to the client and we shared that insight, that the most glaring thing which is coming is the decline in the market size itself. And they told us, yes, that's right. This is what is happening. Here I can share with you that we had been disseminating global trends to our clientele for the last many years. And I have been getting the feedback from my colleagues, from my friends, that all the time we talk about global trends, but not the trends in Pakistan, which is really intimate, and it's very important to learn your consumer, your target audience, your market, your competition, economic policies, but at the same time, what is the sentiment in the market? What is keeping them people awake in nights? What keeps them worried? It's very important for the business people. It's very important for the marketing people. It's equally important for the advertising industry people to learn what kind of state of mind people are going through. And that's why it's not been yesterday or last year or 2 years. Ipsos, I'm representing that in Pakistan and Afghanistan. Ipsos has been doing that research for the last more than 25 years. What worries the world? And we started that also a few years back. But when it comes to dissemination of the information, I was talking to some of you friends here, that it's not easy to actually exhale whatever you get to learn, because the moment it becomes in the public domain, it creates a new debate, and at the same time, a lot of your economic interest, a lot of your commercial interest, they can be jeopardized. So I have been going to different forums, especially in the diplomatic community, in some think tanks, and we have been sharing. But in the last few years, we have decided no. Keeping these to ourselves is perhaps not a good idea. Let's put it on the table and let this be a public domain. People talk about it. And if they can point out that if we have not been able to capture the real essence of the market, yes, we are ready to review our strategy, we are ready to review our methodology, we can do that. And the very important things which I hope most of you would agree, that the front end of the marketing fraternity in the national companies, the multinational companies, from higher end of the society, generally exposed to either to their own megacity or maybe Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, but they might be very much exposed to Middle East, to US, to UK. But when it comes to knowing Pakistan, unfortunately, there's a lot to be desired. A lot to be desired. And even in our own boardrooms, in our five-star hotels, in our restaurants, the people we interact with on daily basis, we do not, connect what is happening with the normal people. I can very confidently say that all people in this room, they can be categorized top 1%. You are part of only top 1% of Pakistan. The rest of 99% of Pakistan, which are actually paying my salaries, paying your income, actually whatever the business we are doing, at the end of the day, it is the money which is coming from their pockets. So it's very important to learn what they are thinking, what they are going through. So as a research agency, I thought that with your permission, that before I start talking to you what is happening in the world and what is happening in the Pakistan, what do we think of in Pakistan as we are people in this room? So it will not take a long time. I hope it would be 5 minutes. We would like to learn from you people what makes you worry in Pakistan. And to that end, since it's a technology, I think we do it all the time. Some people would have these small gadgets with you on tables. Yeah? So we will just run a small survey and you will see the display here, and towards the end of my presentation, you will see how the people in this room, how close or far from the rest of Pakistan. So Shahid and Farhan, if you can explain on how to go about it. It's a few minutes. So वो नहीं है, डेट नहीं है इसमें, just कैच लेना चाहिए कैच लेना। ये एक क्वेश्चन जो है वो आपको सामने डिस्प्ले पे आएगा। आए शायद
कुछ लोगों को डिवाइसेस दी गई हैं जो कि एक क्वेश्चंस आएगा, उसका आपने आंसर देना होगा। उसमें कुछ ऑप्शंस आ रहे होंगे। डिवाइस आप लोगों के पास, सबके पास मौजूद होंगी। इसमें देखिएगा कि सबके पास डिवाइस ऑन है।
ऑन है जी सबके पास? डिवाइस
आप लोगों के पास ऑन है।
बॉटम में इसके डिवाइस पावर का बटन है, पावर का वो देखेंगे, वो उससे ऑन है, स्क्रीन पे डिस्प्ले आ रहा है। इसमें नहीं, सिंगल रिस्पॉन्स है। आप एक इशू जो भी आपको प्रोमिनेंट लगता है वही पाकिस्तान मल्टीपल यूजर यूज कर सकता है। नहीं, सिंगल
जस्ट सिंगल।
सही, ठीक है। तो जैसे ही ये ग्रे डॉट है, ये ग्रीन होगा, तो आप लोगों ने आउट ऑफ ये 1 to 10 इशूज हैं, इसमें से जो भी इशू आप समझते हैं कि पाकिस्तान के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में प्रोमिनेंट है, उस पे आपने
सोच समझ के उसका सिर्फ डिजिट जो है, उसका कोड जो है, सिर्फ वो आपने प्रेस करना है।
ठीक है, मैं ग्रीन कर रहा हूं जी। अब आप लोग
जी प्लीज स्टार्ट कीजिए।
दे सकते हैं। हाँ, क्वेश्चन मैं पढ़ देता हूँ कि अकॉर्डिंग टू यू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द मोस्ट वरिंग इशू इन पाकिस्तान।
एक जवाब, सिर्फ एक।
1 to 10 ऑप्शन है। फर्स्ट पे अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट है, सेकंड नंबर पे इंक्रीज इन इन्फ्लेशन है, थर्ड पे बर्डन ऑफ एडिशनल टैक्सेस है, फोर्थ पे इंक्रीजिंग पॉवर्टी है, फिफ्थ पे लैक ऑफ फैसिलिटीज इन हेल्थ केयर एंड ट्रीटमेंट है, सिक्स पे टेररिज्म है, 7 पे लो एजुकेशन लिटरेसी है, 8 पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी लोड शेडिंग इशू है, 9 पे करप्शन, ब्राइबरी, ब्लेंडिंग एंड नेपोटिज्म है, 10 पे डिक्रीजिंग वैल्यू ऑफ रूपी है। अब 1 to 10 में जो भी आप इशू समझ, एनीवन
एक कोड, सिर्फ कोड। 10 लोगों ने जवाब दे दिया जी। 11, 13, 18, 21, 3 people to go. Only last one to go. Done. जी रिजल्ट्स क्या है जिसके?
जी
यूएसबी पे ट्रांसफर करके मुझे दे दो, मैं मेरे लैपटॉप से कर देंगे। आदे पढ़ के सुना दे।
जी एक दफा आप लोग दोबारा रिस्पॉन्स
नहीं जरूरी नहीं।
रिस्पॉन्स जो आपने पहले दिया था वो आपके पास
कंप्लीट हो गया। पढ़ा करते हैं क्या? पढ़ा नहीं जा रहा है। पढ़ा नहीं होगा वैसे 7 ईयर
7 पे ज़्यादा रेटिंग है।
7 में सबसे ज्यादा है। ठीक है। लो एजुकेशन लिटरेसी प्रॉब्लम है।
पहले 4 और
सेकंड और फोर्थ के इंक्रीज इन्फ्लेशन है और इंक्रीज इन पॉवर्टी जो है ये फिर सेकंड भी जो है
तो हम इसको बस पार करते हैं और फिर इसको दोबारा अटैच करते हैं। इसको होम पे करते हैं। कर देते हैं। जी ये टेक्नोलॉजी बैल कभी कभार आपको थोड़ा सा लेट करती है जी। सो वी विल स्टार्ट विद द व्हाट वर्ल्ड एक्चुअली व्हाट इज द वर्ल्ड। यहाँ पे देयर हैड बीन many issues throughout the world. What we are doing that we are going to 28 countries in the world which constitute about 80% of global GDP. So that does include all the big developed countries, also some big developing and emerging markets like South Africa, India, Brazil, Russia, Turkey, and also representation from all over the Middle East, from the Asia Pacific. So put together these are 28 countries whereby a monthly research is conducted. and each country represents its own market. And put together, as I told you, this is 80% of the global GDP. So since there's a lot of diverse population, so that leads to diverse, issues, political, regional, economical, societal, so on and so forth. But for the sake of simplicity, what we have done, that in this presentation, we have just focused up to 17 issues only, which are most common and which are actually prevailing almost throughout the world. So I would just read them out because you might not be able to read those. The first one is actually financial and political corruption. The next one, poverty and social disparity. Okay, unemployment, crime and violence, healthcare, education, taxes, then immigration controls, then we have moral decline, moral decline, and then climate change, then we have terrorism, we have inflation, महंगाई, then we have
Climate change.
वो क्या था ऊपर वाला?
Threats against environment.
Sorry, which one?
Threats against environment.
Threats
वो
against
environment ही है, जो environment का, ठीक है? We have
rise of extremism.
rise of extremism, monitoring social programs, childhood obesity, and access to credit. तो ये जो दुनिया भर में जो ज़्यादा इश्यूज जो ज़्यादा प्रेवलेंट थे, कॉमन थे, we have included them. And what we have found, what are the real common one? Okay, so these are the top 5 important which are actually worrying the whole world. Poverty, social inequality. ये बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट है कि जब हमने आपने बात की थी हाशमी साहब कि जब जो रिच जो है वो रिच होगा, important thing is that how to keep poorer not getting more poorer, and how to keep maintain or देखिए poverty line से लोग ऊपर ना जाए, वो कहीं ऊपर चले जाए. This is something the most worrying part. Poverty and social inequality, followed by financial and political corruption. ये करप्शन का लफ्ज तो आपको काफी मानूस लग रहा होगा. Unemployment, crime and violence, and healthcare issues. So these are the 5 most important worrisome issues. अब इसमें how इनकी जो रैंकिंग हमने जो करवाते रहे, इनकी रैंकिंग में आप देखिएगा कि आपको नजर आएगा कि बहुत थोड़ा सा फर्क है. तो 1.1 पे अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, ये इनकी रैंकिंग है कि जब लोगों से पूछा गया कि आपके ख्याल में सबसे पहला मसला क्या है, तो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इज नंबर 1. दूसरा पॉवर्टी एंड सोशल इनइक्वालिटी. थर्ड फाइनेंशियल एंड पॉलिटिकल करप्शन, क्राइम एंड वायलेंस एंड हेल्थ केयर. इसमें आपको मसलन एजुकेशन वो नजर नहीं आएगी, इसके अंदर आपको पावर ब्रेकडाउन, पावर लोड शेडिंग नजर नहीं आएगी, इसके अंदर कई और चीजें, गवर्नेंस का मसला आपको नजर नहीं आएगा. लेकिन ये वो रैंक्स हैं कि जो हमें बताते हैं कि दुनिया इस वक्त किधर सोच रही है, क्या उसके दिन में मसाइल क्या है. लेकिन एक बात व्हाट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट एवरेजेस आर ऑलवेज डिसेप्टिव. Think of a very fat person, a very thin person, and if we take the average, that might look like very smart. So these are smart averages, and the devils are mostly in the details, and we need to go into details to find out what is happening. So what has been the trends in the last about a decade? एक हम इससे पहले का डेटा भी था, लेकिन मैंने सोचा कि इस आज के लिए हम सब एक डेकेड पीछे जाते हैं, पाकिस्तान के लिए भी और फॉर द होल वर्ल्ड. द फर्स्ट थिंग विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड स्टिल इट इज द लार्जेस्ट, इज द बिगेस्ट issue, that's unemployment, but the trend is very positive. Yes, it's still the biggest issue in the world, ranked number one, but it has lost about 20% as mentioned by the global population. So unemployment has been managed. So it means the whole world is able to create jobs. So technology and the computer and all these people, they have not snatched away all which we generally believe that automation and computerization and job is not the case. So there had been more jobs created throughout the world. So that's why that has led to 20% decrease in the last about a decade. Second is financial and political corruption. It has also lost, but not to too much extent. There had been blips, there had been some higher, some troughs, but at the same time, it has lost about only minus 2% in the last one decade. But corruption is still there as a major threat. The next one is poverty and social inequality. एंड सेम टू फॉर बाकियों के अंदर कुछ इतना मेजर, उसके अंदर आप देख रहे हो कि -2 का है, और इसके बाद ये -5 पे क्राइम, उसके अंदर भी मैनेज हुआ है. ओनली थिंग विच हैज नॉट एक्चुअली, जिसके अंदर बहुत ज्यादा जो बेहतरी वो नहीं आई, वो बेहतरी आई है इस हेल्थ केयर 2%. ये तो हाउ इट हैज चेंज, हाउ इट हैज इवॉल्व. उसके बाद मैं आपको लेके जाना चाहूंगा कि जब हम स्नैपशॉट देखते हैं, जब इनको सिर्फ ट्रेंड की बजाय आप सिर्फ एक 10 साल का गैप देखते हैं, what we can see, unemployment has gone from 63 to 32%. Healthcare has gone down as a major issue. Immigration control has just gone away. Is no longer an issue, at least in the top. Financial and political corruption, it has not stayed, also it has increased. Taxes, people have managed, it's gone, it's nowhere. और मजे की बात है कि moral decline has no longer a concern. और जो वो कहता है ना कि हादसे से बड़ा सान्हा ये हुआ, लोग ठहरे नहीं हादसा देखकर, एहसास में कारवां से एहसास में जाता रहा कि moral decline, that was something important issue for the whole world about a decade ago. Now it's not at least popping at the top one. It's interesting. I hope कि जो सोशियोलॉजी के, एंथ्रोपोलॉजी के जो हैं साइंटिस्ट हैं जो सोशियोलॉजी के, it's a big thing for them to ponder about what has led. अब हमने देखा है कि जो कुछ इमर्जिंग मार्केट्स जो हैं उनमें हमने देखा है कि वहां पर क्या इश्यूज हैं. What is happening over there? Brazil, the top, and this is the latest data. It is the December 19 data. Poverty and social inequality is the top one, followed by unemployment, then crime and violence, financial corruption, and healthcare. What is happening in Russia? Look at corruption is the top. Is the corruption at the top? Poverty and social inequality, healthcare, unemployment, and taxes. For Russia. How about China? In fact, when we were preparing, my colleague actually mentioned, where is corruption? I said, there is no corruption. There is about. They just shoot them out. Unemployment, healthcare, threats against the environment, inflation, and climate change. The couple of these things, if you put together, it might be the second biggest challenge for them. Actually, that reminds me, I met my colleague a couple of weeks back from Australia. Would you believe their latest results show that the biggest concern they have in Australia and New Zealand is climate change? So the whole nation is worried about the climate change. आपको ये चंद जुमले मेरे just note them down and then when we'll come to Pakistan we'll see हम किन चीज़ों पे बातें कर रहे हैं. And our neighbor India, the whatever is happening, the sentiment is there. Poverty and social inequality, unemployment, crime and violence, financial political corruption, and healthcare. So these are the what is happening in our surrounding. ये नजर नहीं आएगा आपको, लेकिन मैं आपको यहाँ पे जो important बात जो बताना चाहता हूँ, ये मैपिंग की है कि about in the healthcare, unemployment, crime and violence. जब बात होती है कि शायद the world's biggest worries, तो would you believe that इस यहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा जो करप्शन पे जो सबसे ज्यादा मुल्क ऊपर है, आपको कलर कोडिंग से नजर आ रहा होगा, इस इंडिया. इंडिया, मलेशिया, साउथ अफ्रीका एंड पिरो जी, वो साउथ अमेरिका. And that reminds me, which I have actually read somewhere, that Mahathir, Dr. Mahathir, who just resigned, and people say that actually he has resigned only for few weeks maybe, he might be coming back actually, about more than 30 years ago, about 35 years ago, 30 years ago or 35 years ago, he was in Pakistan and corruption was being discussed. And people actually who were listening to him directly, he narrated to me, and it was the answer from Dr. Mahathir, who told you that corruption is the enemy of growth. Whenever there is a growth, there will be some corruption. So this is what he had mentioned about 35 years ago. So let's come to Pakistan. Fingers crossed. What do we think? उससे पहले मैं आपको बता दूं थोड़ा सा कि what kind of data is behind. मैं उसकी टेक्निकल किसी चीज में मैं नहीं जाना चाहता, कुछ मेथोडोलॉजिकल डिटेल्स में, but at least I just want to give you, a feeling that the data we're going to share with you is stemming out of what profile. So it's a face-to-face interviews, okay? A random selection of households. Respondents within household are selected using Kishgrade, is a technical scientific term, how to ensure that you select people randomly. Sample size about 3,000, and we cover generally about 40 plus cities in Pakistan and about 80 villages representing rural Pakistan. And always is a gender balance, and then 18 plus adults and all SECs, all socioeconomic classes. So this whatever you will be saying, more or less, sample has been more or less same, about 3,000 now and before. So this was the question which you have answered a while ago.
What's the ceiling of it? Basically 18.
No ceiling.
Maybe 75 or 80, 82.
Whatever. I mean, उसमें ये होता है कि whenever our surveyors go to reach to an household, they list down males, they list down only males, and female surveyors, they note down only females, and in descending order, okay, from eldest to the youngest, and then using the Kishgrade, they select that which one to interview. So it's not their discretion; it is the scientific method how to select a person with it. तो हमने ये सवाल पूछते रहे हैं हमेशा. ये बताइए कि आपके ख्याल में, I will be speaking Urdu because everyone was asked the question in Urdu. आपके ख्याल में पाकिस्तान के मुदर्रज झेल मसाइल में से सबसे ज्यादा परेशान कुल मसला कौन सा है? कंपैरिजन हम बाद में देखेंगे, जो आपके साथ इनके साथ जो है वो बाद में देखेंगे. पहले हम यहाँ देख लें कि हम यहाँ कहाँ खड़े हैं. The biggest issue is unemployment. 30%, followed by inflation. Fourth, additional taxes. And third and fourth, increase in the poverty. And put together these four, which more or less they talk about your economics. Yeah, the wording is different. They constitute 76%. This is Pakistan. And of course, जब हम इसकी डेटा करने के बाद then we उसकी weighting जो है वो that reflects exactly what population is constituted. इसमें कोई statistical वो कोई चीज नहीं है इसमें. And since I am standing a bit far, I can see that corruption is at the 9th number and it's 2%. Corruption is 2%. And 2% ही मजे की बात ये है कि इशू क्या है, decreasing freedom of speech and censorship on media. It is equally worrying for people than corruption. And there are some small things. And to might be a surprise, crime and violence doesn't pop anywhere. हमें बहुत जी
जैसा आपने बताया दिसंबर 29 में आपने ये डाटा शेयर किया जो आपने किया 2019 में, तो ये ड्यूरेशन, ये जो रिसर्च का ड्यूरेशन कितना है?
every 1 month we complete the cycle 1 month
3000 respondents.
जी. So whenever we do it in 1 month. So it's important to learn that what is making people worried.
Is this done on an annual basis or?
No. Actually, almost every quarter. लेकिन आज के लिए मैंने हर क्वार्टर को देने की बजाय मैंने I have selected few years. Okay, तो थोड़ा सा long term एक perspective हम लें.
The sample size is taken across Pakistan.
Of course, that's what exactly I wanted to show you in the first place, that it is representative of Pakistan. And then, of course, that was the only first response. People do not stop here. There are many other issues also that they talk about. So there are many other issues people talk about, and these are multiple responses. But what we have done for the ease of everyone, we have clubbed them in one place, and we have made them actually together. And what we can see, it's the increase in inflation takes the lead now. ग्लोबल का आपके ज़हन में आ रहा होगा, वहां पे इंक्रीज इन्फ्लेशन वाज नॉट इन द टॉप 5, बट हियर इट्स 81%. जी बिल्कुल, ये तो सवाल भी यही है ना कि आज आपको क्या चीज को कर रही है. एंड वी विल सी हाउ इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स बैक इन द लास्ट 1 decade. हम इस पे अभी आएंगे. एंड देन अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट वेरी क्लोजली 79, and then increase in poverty, and then we have
Burden of additional taxes.
burden of additional taxes, increase in electricity prices 51%. So these are the things which are actually worrying people. Load shedding is hardly any. And by the way, it's December, so I think already जो है वो issue शायद नहीं होता.
नहीं है.
होगा कहीं पर, लेकिन it's not that.
नहीं है, वो सर्कल के नीचे.
जी.
5th पे.
So that is the overall feeling of the market. But हम जैसे अर्ज किया कि every quarter we do it. We also did the same question in August, and you can see that how it has changed in only 1 quarter. Direction is very clear. The inflation has gone up, unemployment stayed the same, all other have gone up almost, except for the electricity, I think.
Terrorism.
Terrorism has gone down, yes. Corruption also gone up in 1 quarter. perception about corruption. It has also gone up. Although it's very small, but it's still.
Discrimination behavior also down.
Yes. ये बड़ी दिलचस्प. People have said so in Pakistan. कि discrimination in the dispensing justice, media censorship. So these are the what is people, and this is the mindset we need to keep in view when making some marketing strategies. When we are developing the copies, for the different advertisements, think of that over here we are showing people having celebration and jubilation and so on and so forth, and being watched in which kind of circumstances, and how it's going to market or demarket your brand.
But the value of rupee is not with anyone.
Sorry, है.
But उतना ही है last quarter से.
I mean, people, इसे more of हमारे पढ़े लिखे लोगों का मसला है कि what is actually making them, what is the end result, what they are facing. So now I will just take you through the top 5 worries in the last about 1 decade. डेटा मेरे पास काफ़ी पुराना भी है पाकिस्तान का, लेकिन मेरा ख्याल है कि हम सब देखें 2011 से. So unemployment gone down to 2015 and then going up. Inflation coming down, then again going up. Terrorism is going down almost throughout. It's a consistent trend. And then this is the power, is a load shedding. And then is the corruption stagnant. So whatever has been there, it is there. Nothing has changed. मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट जरूर होगी कि we need to look at these numbers purely from non-political lens, please. क्योंकि when we mix these two things, उससे फिर जो है ना एक confusion create होती है. We need to see them objectively, and this is what people have said so. So what are the shifts actually? So what I have done, that I have taken, only 3 years to see what has changed. जहाँ से आपको clear नजर आता है. So from 2013 to 2015, let's say, on couple of years, we can see there's a drop of how many? I think 11 percentage points. Yeah. In unemployment, inflation gone down from 26 to 18. Terror attacks from 16 to 8. Load shedding, 2015 में I think it was again a concern. Perhaps I think there was a question that if the capacity is there, why not? Why we are experiencing load shedding? But it was there. Corruption didn't change anything. Nothing changed. And as of very now, it has gone up again. Not reached to the level of 34, but direction is very clear. Inflation has surpassed 26 also, already gone up. Terror attacks, alhamdulillah, gone down. Load shedding is negligible. And corruption, yes, big achievement, 50% drop from a very small base. So this has been so that leads me to getting into details कि इसके पीछे लोगों का sentiment क्या है. So it's only not one question. Of course, we administered 17 questions actually. Each wave we administered same set of 17 questions. So these are the trends. We asked this particular question last 1 year as recorded by Pakistanis consumers. हम उसको याद करवाते हैं 1 साल पहले आप इसके बारे में आपका क्या ख्याल है 1 साल. So this was the question, compared to 1 year ago, how are you now more or less comfortable making a major purchase like a home or car? होम और मतलब बिग इन्वेस्टमेंट, गाड़ी खरीदनी है, कोई मेजर काम करना है. द रिजल्ट हैज बीन अगस्त में 90% and December 91%. There are people feeling less comfortable, whatever they were about a year ago. So this was about the major purchases. The next question was about your daily purchases, your routine purchases. How do you feel like about 1 year ago? And the answer was again 90 and 89. And direction is, you can see only 1% is changing in 1 quarter, but direction is upward. The next question was that how you feel confident about the job security of yourself, your family and other people. 83%. But the next question I would say, which I'm going to share with you, is most, I would say, drastic, and that is really, for me at least, this is very worrying. That, not this one, the next one. This is about the saving capacity. Can you feel like that you can save for some later days, rain days? People are saying no, they can't. And this is again a comparison, a perceived comparison from the last 1 year. Yeah, this was the question I was referring to. The thinking of last 1 year, have you, someone in your family or someone else you know personally lost their job as a result of economic conditions? ये स्पेसिफिक सवाल है कि मुआशी सूरत हाल की वजह से, नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ कोई बीमारी आ गई या खुदा न खास्ता कोई और मसला हो गया, फॉर द इकोनॉमिक कंडीशंस हैव यू लॉस्ट. एंड unfortunately about 1/3 of Pakistan who are employed, they said yes, they have lost, someone has lost a job. I'm not sure, I mean, what is your experience? मैंने ये सवाल आपसे नहीं करवाया, पूछवाया, but do you know someone? And here we are not talking about what is published on in akhbarat and what is said on TV. It is what question is very specific. Okay, someone you know personally. And then about how comfortable they are about the present economic situation going on today. So we can see the 77% they are saying. Again, that is the thing, Masood bhai, which you mentioned, that I try to make it sweet as much as possible, giving some pictures over there, but numbers I can't change. And present situation in Pakistan, what do you think that what is happening? Again, 80% versus 23%. And current state of local economy, sentiment is same. Now the scale has changed only. Scale is from 1 to 7, and bottom to 42, top two boxes only 5%. That these 5% people, by the way, they would never change. These are the haves and have-nots. They are not going to lose anything. They have enough. So current personal financial situation, again, it's not that great. It's 40% almost in the bottom two boxes versus 5% at the top. So this reminds me what we have seen, the economic disparity जो है. These people, they are not affected. हमारा इस सारी चीजों को पूछ के हम एक इंडेक्स बनाते हैं. वो इंडेक्स के पीछे करंट इंडेक्स होता है, करंट सिचुएशन क्या है, इन्वेस्टमेंट इंडेक्स क्या है, जॉब इंडेक्स क्या है, एंड योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस क्या है. एंड ऑल दीज are put together, and this is happening everywhere in the world. It is a very scientific way of doing, and this is happening in the last about more than 20 years. तो इसका एक नेशनल इंडेक्स बनता है. I would like to share where Pakistan stands. Pakistan stands at 32%, 33% almost. Okay, as compared to 48% global average. यहाँ पर आपको ज़्यादा clear नजर आएगा. When we compare it with the BRICS, emerging markets. You can see the global average stands where, and Pakistan, and where is India? More than 60. And इसको आप लिंक करें with the corruption. मैंने आपको एक चार्ट दिखाया था. When it comes to corruption, India is at the top on the world. But look at their economic situation. So that actually confirms the theory which Dr. Mahathir said. China, you recall, there was no mention of corruption. Is going up. Is a good governance. India, top corruption, but sentiment, market sentiment, investments. So this is, so हमारी रिसर्च की दुनिया में कहते हैं it's not discriminating. Corruption is not a discriminating factor. It does not help or it does not deny. It is irrelevant. So national index is a global average. Let's not get into details, and numbers are very small here. एक सवाल हम पूछते हैं, दुनिया भर में पूछते हैं, पाकिस्तान में भी पूछते हैं कि आर वी हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स द राइट डायरेक्शन और रॉन्ग डायरेक्शन? हमारा ट्रैक क्या है, हम जा किधर रहे हैं? तो ग्लोबल एवरेज कहती है कि 39%, जो बिल्कुल लेटेस्ट नंबर है, वो है कि about 40% people believe we are going to the right direction and the rest find it otherwise. And how does it fare with, over the trend? आप ये देखिए कि दुनिया ऐसी ही रही है. Pessimism, there are few changes happening here and there. कोई specific events होते हैं which leads to a different sentiment, but more or less, since last more than a decade, it stays in the same vicinity. लेकिन वही बात मैंने कही थी, these are averages. Averages के पीछे क्या है? हमने लोगों से पूछा कि 6 माह, ये पाकिस्तान में पूछा, और ये दिसंबर की हम बात करते हैं, ये दिसंबर जो गुजरा है, मैंने पूछा कि आपके ख्याल में पाकिस्तान are heading to the right direction or not? Guess what? 21% saying right direction versus 79% saying wrong direction. And this did not change since August. जो हमने अगस्त में किया था उसमें भी यही कह रहे थे लोग. There's no change. But how it fares with the rest of, दिसंबर का डेटा, ये ग्लोबल एवरेज है, ये पाकिस्तान है, तो अब नंबर नजर नहीं भी आ रहा, तो आप यू कैन सी कि चाइना 93%, ये दिसंबर का डेटा है. ठीक है, कोरोना थोड़ा बाद में आया है, बट बाय द वे हमने कोरोना के ऊपर पूरी दुनिया में इप्सोस रिसर्च की है, पाकिस्तान में भी की है, एंड हमारे वो डिफरेंट रीजन से है, वी हैव नॉट पब्लिश इट, बट वुड यू बिलीव पाकिस्तानीज, हमारे पास उसका डेटा मौजूद है, पाकिस्तानीज दे हैव मोर ट्रस्ट ऑन चाइना देन पाकिस्तान गवर्नमेंट. All of Pakistani, they have more trust. मैं सोच रहा था मैं चाइनीज एम्बेसडर को मैं भेजूंगा, भाई we believe you more than our leadership. So this is, and इसमें जो सबसे अहम बात है कि how we have actually traveled in the last 1 decade. Wrong direction was almost, मतलब इतनी नहीं थी, but it was about 70% wrong direction, or 32% was, the right direction. It went up, reversed, and guess what? No, don't call it U-turn. So this is what has happened, but the scale has gone up. Scale has gone up. It never went like that. सो फ्यूचर आउटलुक के बारे में हमारे पाकिस्तानीज क्या कहते हैं कि आपके ख्याल में 6 माह में क्या सूरत हाल होगी? सेंटीमेंट वही है कि नहीं वीक ही रहेगा, तफसील में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है। आप ये हमारी वेबसाइट पर चीजें देख सकते हैं, जो लेटेस्ट हमारी जो रिजल्ट्स होते हैं वी ऑलवेज पब्लिश ऑन वेबसाइट। सो likelihood of losing job, it's very unfortunate that still about 60%, about 55 to 60% people, they feel like they're going to lose the job. अब मुझे बताएं वो क्या प्रोडक्टिविटी होगी, क्या माइंडसेट, कैसे काम करेगा बंदा कि अगर पता हो कि पता नहीं किस दिन फारिग हो जाएंगे। एंड देन हमने ये भी पूछा कि ये थोड़ा सा लॉन्ग टर्म, ये तो है ना 6 माह, फिर हमने पूछा कि आप ख्याल 5 साल में आपके ख्याल में क्या सूरत हाल है कि आई एक्सपेक्ट माई ओवरऑल क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ टू बी मच बेटर इन 5 years from now? No. Big disagreement. And then I am very optimistic I will be able to afford the leisure activities like I expect in the next couple of years. No. My current quality of life is very good. My current quality of life is very good. नहीं है, बहुत अच्छा नहीं है. I am getting ahead financially. No, it's not the case. And situation has not changed much since August. So this is the outlook. आप मुझे वो स्लाइड दे सकते हैं, आदिल है नहीं पे, बाद में देखते हैं. So this is the summary where we stand as of now. But at the same time, I would like to share. जब तक आप ये करें तो I will take questions. आप इसको जरा इसमें ऐड करें, तब हम एक कंपैरिजन देख लें कि हम क्या सोच रहे थे और पाकिस्तान क्या सोच रहा था. So that's all. Thank you very much for your listening. I think my time पे मैंने तो खत्म किया. Any questions? I would be happy to answer. जी please.
सर, I'm Peter Lucas from Jung Group. मेरा सवाल आपसे ये था कि जब आपने इंडिया को कहा कि टॉप पे है वो करप्शन में, तो क्या इन टर्म्स ऑफ परसेंटेज है या इन टर्म्स ऑफ वॉल्यूम?
जी जी, वो देखिए ये सारी की सारी जो है इनकी KPI जो है, इनकी मेजरमेंट जो है वो आपकी परसेप्शन होती है, उसका क्वांटम तो आप चेक नहीं कर सकते.
और दूसरी भी ये चीज पूछ रही थी कि जब आप कहते हैं पॉलिटिकल करप्शन, उसको गेज कैसे करते हैं और उसको पॉलिटिकल करप्शन का सवाल क्या होता है?
नहीं देखिए, हम तो ये लोगों के सामने
पॉलिटिकल और फाइनेंशियल दोनों साथ ही?
हाँ दोनों. वैसे बाय द वे दुनिया में साथ साथ चलते हैं. पॉलिटिकल और फाइनेंशियल कैन नॉट गो यू नो इन डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन.
नहीं, लेकिन वो दैट इज समथिंग टू डू विद मॉरल ग्राउंड्स.
देखिए, जो आपने कहा कि इसको डिफाइन कैसे करते हैं, हाउ यू डिफाइन, आई मीन एक रेस्पॉन्डेंट मैं अभी आपसे पूछूं तो यहाँ पर जितने लोग हैं उतनी डेफिनेशन आएंगी. यही मजा होता है रिसर्च का कि वी प्रेजेंट द सेम थिंग एंड पीपल व्हाटएवर दे थिंक दे रिस्पॉन्ड कीपिंग इन व्यू देयर ओन डेफिनेशन.
सो पॉलिटिकल और वो दोनों एक ही ले लीजिए.
जी जी, अगर इंट्रोड्यूस कर लें पहले तो.
I'm Dr. Arif from IOBM, CBM. These things are written on the wall in Pakistan nowadays. I respect your data, mashallah, you have done a good research. But what is behind all this? Have we done some catharsis that why our government has come to this, what we are all faced with? And very rightly said, I think the global data which you presented, they say that the physiological needs, they come first. I don't know that why the number 7 emerged, because we are different people and it automatically shows that yes, we are different from the rest of the Pakistan. We chose education. We all are Muslims and we all say prayer. Even Allah says, जो आपके क्या कहते हैं उसको forbidden है during the नमाज, उसमें ये किया कि if your tummy is empty, अगर आपका पेट खाली है तो मकरूहात में से है. आपको अल्लाह भी कहता है कि नमाज के लिए खड़े न हो अगर आपका पेट खाली है. So physiological needs come first. I think unemployment was very rightly chosen by the rest of the world, and so is the case with us. Until unless the physiological needs are not met, the education comes later. And of course, the unemployment is the reason. I'm just making a comment. I may not be having a question. Secondly, we are a consumer economy. I was just looking at what to share with these people. I think they all have knowledge. And every nation exploits or manipulates the forex or their currency rates in their own best interest. Why Chinese yuan is always down? It's a common sense that whenever a foreign currency comes to your country, your local currency should appreciate. Why Chinese currency, or why don't they not let the Chinese currency appreciate? In 2007, in a study tour when we went to Beijing, we were told that in one single year, $70 billion as a direct investment came to that city, only one, Shanghai, right? So logically, if there's so much of dollar is coming into China, why their currency doesn't appreciate, why they don't let the yuan appreciate? Because they are export-oriented economy. If their exports go down, they're
gone, they are right.
So our economy is imports-oriented. We are the economy which are imports-oriented. Even whatever we produce, we are textile industry or we are agrarian society, we import a lot of chemicals. So our economy depends on the. I'm just saying that what went wrong.
जी मैं बताता हूँ
Our government is.
मैं गुजारिश करता हूँ देखें थैंक यू आपने किया I think physiological is very important but see the whole world has been able to manage unemployment despite automation, despite technology, despite all the advancements in science. They have been able to feed and create jobs for people. That's why it has drastically gone down in only one decade. One. The other thing is, it's not my job, to be honest, to give my own comment. You know, I have my own thesis, but I would stick to my researcher role only. I would not pass on, you know, what went wrong. मेरा ख्याल है कि जिसे कहते हैं ना कि हमारा काम जो है सादा जुबान में, we are Aga Khan laboratory. We just give you the what is, you know, your test is showing. We can claim and we are very confident and proud that our, you know, this test is very accurate. इसकी क्वालिटी ठीक है. अब बाकी डॉक्टर्स हैं, डॉक्टर हफीज हैं और बाकर रजा साहब हैं और बहुत से और लोग हैं, कि उनका काम है कि वो बताएं कि वो क्या करना. जी, any other question?
I'm always from EFU General Insurance Limited. My question is that the majority of the people in Pakistan are belonging to the lower and middle class families. They really play a crucial role in the progress of a country. You know, and might be possible, you know, because they would have played a significant role as far as the survey is concerned. They might not have great idea about what the international institutions, financial institutions have advised Pakistan, because the steps have been appreciated worldwide. Like our import was substantial, it has been reduced significantly. Okay, at the same time, currency has been devalued with almost 38 or 35% because of this action. You know, overall Pakistan export is going up as we see the figures of released by the State Bank of Pakistan recently. So overall, these steps, the governments have taken these steps in the betterment of the progress of Pakistan, you know, in near future. Inflation is at the extreme level at the moment, 14.5%. But gradually it would come down because international oil prices have also reduced significantly.
Thank you. देखिए, एक तो ये कि let's all of us we know, but let's put that in the right perspective. Yes, there are proportion wise, there are lower middle class are, of course, they are bigger. But what we know for sure that our A class, socioeconomic class A and socioeconomic class B, which we consider is well off or let's say top end, if we consider them to be 20-25%, what is the population becomes about 50 million. And I can guarantee you, count the United Nations list, that 50 million prosperous, affluent Pakistanis, they live in Pakistan. 50 million, which is more than the population of more than 70 countries. 70, जिसमें से 50 जो हैं, they are developed countries. Think of Finland, think of Norway, think of Denmark, and you know, so and so for Germany and so. It's bigger than that population. So why it is not contributing? असल चीज तो ये है जो आपने डॉक्टर साहब जो बात की थी कि अगर नाने शबीना नहीं मिल रहा ना तो ऐसे गोरख धंधे का क्या फायदा. आपके ये हम पढ़े लिखे लोगों के मसले हैं वो ये हैं, ये जरा देख लें. ये हमारा एक्चुअली वी आर डिस्कनेक्टेड फ्रॉम द रियल पीपल, रियल पाकिस्तानी.
सागर सदीकी ने कहा था, गुर्बत हिस्से लताफत को मिटा देती है, भूख हिस्से लताफत को मिटा देती है, गुर्बत आदाब के सांचों में ढल नहीं सकती।
तो ये आप ये देखिए कि ये है वो डिस्कनेक्ट जो आपने अभी बताया कि सबसे बड़ा मसला क्या है और लोगों का मसला क्या है।
थैंक यू।